Welcome back to Vista LA. Recently, Mexico City's Philharmonic Orchestra made its historic debut at the Walt Disney Concert Hall with a performance inspired by Mexican muralist David Alfaro Siqueiros. Regarded as one of the most prominent orchestras in Latin America, Mexico City's Philharmonic Orchestra recently made its first visit to Los Angeles in its 30-year history.
And I was invited to come and do this concert here in Los Angeles. And it has been a work that I've been enjoying very much. We are an orchestra coming from abroad, coming to Los Angeles, where there's a big Latino and Mexican community, and then coming to the Disney Hall, which is one of the most wonderful halls of all times.
Well, this was the real musical joy of it. Our intention, of course, was that of bringing a Mexican symphony. And we ended up being able to bring what is considered the top symphony in Mexico, if not all of Latin America, the Mexico City Philharmonic. So we've got the best here performing our piece.
The concert features works by some of Mexico's greatest classical composers as well as mariachi.
And in a way, an opportunity for all of us to learn that we are part of this symphonic tradition. We are part of the tradition of the mariachi genre that we brought into the orchestra here, which is a rich, beautiful tradition. Bringing these things together ends up bringing people together, especially the people of Mexican heritage, of Latino heritage. The idea of bringing them in here to Disney Hall, where they should be, and also realizing, learning that they are part of the history of classical music.
The highlight of this unique performance is a collaboration between 3 UCLA professors, which features a musical arrangement with narration and multimedia imagery inspired by the work of Mexican muralist David Alfaro Siqueiros, specifically the artist's well-known mural near Overa Street entitled America Tropical.
Well, we decided actually, the 3 professors, one of us in ethnomusicology, another in theater, and myself in Chicano studies, and we decided that we would use the theme of America Tropical because at this particular moment the work is being restored. The white paint has been removed that has been on the mural for over 70 years. It's being reopened to the public by the Getty Institute, and it's sort of a celebration of the fact that America Tropical will be coming back to us.
This mural is one of the most interesting and controversial in the work of Siqueiros, which is huge. And the fact that it was painted here in Los Angeles in 1931 by Siqueiros, the fact that he came here and saw the Mexican population. Years later in the 1960s and 70s, he started to notice the Chicano, Mexican-American artists.
Professor Steve Loza has created a piece of music that is inspired by looking at the mural America Tropical and then creating a kind of a dissonant set of music.
To combine a concert music with visual arts is always a good and a challenge for anyone, because the art movement has a speed that it has been created and it has to be just that way. But it's always very interesting to make that combination, because the composer was inspired from a mural.
The concert is part of an ongoing educational and cultural exchange between Mexico City and Los Angeles, which share a sister city relationship.
The sisterhood between Mexico City and Los Angeles will turn 40 next year. This is a great moment to revivify and strengthen that relationship. Now, this particular occasion is very important because we have musicians who are internationally recognized, who play in Mexico City, are now in Los Angeles, combining their talents and their work with Chicano, Latino artists.
And I think it's also educational, because a lot of people are going to come in here who have never been here to Disney Hall. That was perhaps the prime motivation from the beginning, especially for the Mexican, Latino community, to come and make themselves realize that they belong in here also.
Still ahead, a homecoming for a Latino museum returning to its downtown roots when Vista returns.